tea has been used for centuries by people all across the globe for its therapeutic properties. Users of green tea have reported all sorts of different benefits and not just weight loss. Green tea can also be used as an all-natural and gentle way to increase your energy. I want to introduce you to Green Tea Diet, the latest scientific breakthrough product in natural weight loss and energy. Vita Lifestyle Labs, the maker of Green Tea Diet, have developed the most advanced green tea weight loss product to date. It is no wonder that Green Tea Diet has taken the world by storm. After shipping thousands of free trials, the results are in. Everybody agrees that Green Tea Diet works. As part of our worldwide marketing campaign, we are giving away a limited quantity of free 14-day sample bottles of Green Tea Diet to men and women who are concerned about weight loss, energy, and overall health. Claim your free trial bottle of Green Tea Diet and take control of your weight loss goals today. To see if you qualify for your free trial, visit our website at www.greenteadiet.com and answer 3 quick and easy questions. This offer is 100% risk-free and you have nothing to lose. There is no monthly auto ship requirement and you are never under any future credit card billing obligation whatsoever. Simply pay the small shipping fee today and we will ship your free trial bottle the next business day with expedited mail. Remember, this is a limited free trial offer that will end soon. So hurry and don't delay. This free trial is open to anyone over 18 years. And please, only 1 free trial bottle per household is allowed.